Investing is too risky. This is probably the dumbest thing that someone could say. Look, we never know what the future holds, but if you just think about all the things that have happened and all of the things that can happen, you can make some pretty obvious choices to compound your money. The key is to understand when you should invest. First, let's look at stocks. Every single time there's been a crash in the US stock market for the last 50 years, the market has recovered and eventually made new all-time highs. This was after wars, pandemics, and economic instability. So, knowing this information, why aren't you investing? And if the market crashes, why would you be scared? That is a buying opportunity. When prices are low, that gives you the potential for the most gains. Everyone knows this, yet people usually don't want to buy when the prices are low. They wait until the prices move up, even though that means that the potential for gains is lower. If you look at the history of Bitcoin, it has crashed over 80% 3 times in its past. And every single time, it has come back and made new all-time highs. So when it crashes 80%, if you just go by the fact that every single time it has done that in the past, that it ends up being the best buying opportunity, then maybe you'll think to yourself, this is at a great discount. I should probably buy some when it's this down. As the saying goes, history doesn't repeat itself, but it sure as hell rhymes. So the next time there's a huge crash in the markets, get excited and start looking for opportunities. And if you don't want to wait for the next big crash to start investing, you could always start dollar cost averaging. And this is when you set up your investments on autopilot. If you want to know all the things that I use to put my investments on autopilot, just comment the word auto and I'll send you my free PDF with all of the products and companies I use to invest.